Glass drilling shaky and slow. 2 portable drills for perfect drilling. Open base model, 15 kg lightweight body. Body height 435 mm. Total length with handle 680 mm. Base size, 220 mm to 70 mm, easy to operate. Drilling diameter 4100 mm, speed 2800 revolutions per minute. Round base model, net weight 15.8 kilograms. Overall size is consistent. With the open base model, 280 mm square base for more stable support. Max drilling diameter for 180 mm. Speed 1400 revolutions per minute. Below are their shared advantages. Dual linear optical axis design. Reduces drilling vibration. Suitable for drilling 519 mm. Thick glass with wide compatibility. High power motor and double column structure. Sturdy and durable. 2-meter power cord. Plug and play for convenient use. Fast drilling speed. Simple and easy operation. Stable and efficient glass. Drilling tools. DM for quote.